We at Facebook realized that if we're going to actually harness the staggering potential of a true digital solution that goes beyond direct response, that works for all brands and campaigns, we need to come up with a new scalable solution. We have the solution for direct response. We all know it's about clicks and optimizing for clicks. And optimizing for clicks leads to more profitable campaigns, whether it be for e-commerce, for travel, for app installs. But we need to understand in detail what is truly driving success on brand campaigns at a detailed level, not the engagement that happens when we're in front of our laptops or browsing on our smartphones, but the outcomes that happen in the grocery store, at that car dealership, or at the local coffee shop. So until now, we haven't had a consistent way of measuring the connection between online and the actual sales in store for brand marketers. But today, that changes. We have a new solution that we're announcing today. It's Facebook's collaboration with Datalogix. It's an initiative for the first time ever that draws that elusive straight line between digital advertising and the in-store purchase decisions at scale. So here's how it works. We start by looking at the Facebook ad exposure. We keeping user data 100% anonymous between Facebook, advertisers, and Datalogix. Then we work with Datalogix to match the Datalogix information with just the impression-level information that's available on Facebook. And then this is matched with that purchase data that Datalogix has. And then advertisers get these aggregated reports back. They're aggregated reports that demonstrate how Facebook marketing is able to drive in-store changes in behavior and in-store sales lift. All of this in kind of a completely data privacy safe way. But as I mentioned before, and with the GRP, it's not just about showing ROI. It's about helping marketers build better campaigns. They want to use these measures to help make every single campaign that they run better. And just as you know that for the best TV ads that they have certain creative concepts that get your message across, or SEM providers know how to build a better click campaign, these two elements, objective third-party measurement, and then also this iterative cycle of demonstrating how to drive success, are the keys to building a measurement solution. So our study, which measured nearly 50 Facebook campaigns, we were able to demonstrate that 70% of the campaigns saw a 3x or greater return on ad spend. And then 49% of the campaigns saw 5x or greater ROI. Now, these are great ROIs. And we've seen very similar results when we use other systems, whether it be media mix or panel-based solutions or whatever. But this approach is unique because it has massive scale. And that massive scale allows us to not just show ROI, but understand what worked within each one of these campaigns. And even the 49%, how do we make those campaigns better? And so simply put, we've kind of cracked the code on how to understand Facebook brand advertising and be able to make it better. So there are a couple of steps, as I told you, about understanding this. There's the ROI, and then there's how to make things better. And so here are a couple of things that we've been able to use this Datalogix insights in order to understand. So first, a lot of talk about whether Facebook ads work. The studies show, study after study that we've been running shows that it does move ROI. But how do we make it better? So the really smart marketers in the room, like you guys, understand that that's your job, that's what you want us to help you figure out. And so these are kind of the three key pieces that lead to success. So that now, when you're looking at campaigns, just like within SEO and SEM, we can give you measures like this, and we can help you improve these measures. And so I'm going to walk into a little bit of detail on some of the data that we've seen. So the first is that impressions are what create the value for brand marketers, not just the clicks. What we see is that 99% of the sales that come from marketing campaigns are coming from people who don't interact with the ads directly. Now, they consume, just like in TV, they consume the message, and then when they go to the store, they actually are more likely to purchase your product. This is the proof that the click is not the right thing to optimize to. The brands should be optimizing to that 99%.